The fourth distinction between sound and a voice is what we call a sound of service. These are people that impact the communities where they are. They impact the workplaces where they serve without uttering a single word. You know, you've heard of a lady called Mother Teresa. If you go on YouTube and check out how many podcasts she did, how many are they? How many? Okay? She did not want to even be in the spotlight, but she was able to impact because she found her sound. Remember, the sound is that vibration that goes on the inside of you that resonates with what you're supposed to do.